Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are gonna learn how to create a stunning AI magic. Alright, so we are gonna create a street shop basically. Alright, but first what we are gonna do is we are gonna choose our product, whatever product you like. I'm gonna go with LinkedIn logo PNG. Alright, and I'm gonna use this. Actually, this one is better. I'm gonna copy the image and I'm gonna paste in ChatGPT, and we are gonna choose a character. Alright, so let's say it can be an actor. Alright, whichever you like. Okay, let's click a random model. Alright, let's click a random model. Okay, and we are gonna copy the image prompt and send it. So this is just an example, guys. Alright, you can for the actor or for the character you can try anyone. Okay. Okay, so now we have our result. I have just changed the models, the our model. Okay, our character. So I have just choose a random guy. Alright, our result is this one. Then I told ChatGPT to make the logo with lines, and then ChatGPT asks few questions, and then once you confirm, ChatGPT will give you the result like this. Now I have told ChatGPT to put, like the LinkedIn logo picture is not like this, but I mean like it should be like real according to the picture given. So I told ChatGPT to put the color, like the theme of the LinkedIn is white and blue. So ChatGPT has given this result. It is so far it's good. Just I told ChatGPT to make the backdrop bright, so we can see the packages. So we our result is this. We have our result, and I'm fine with this result now. Now what will I do is I will go to download. I'm gonna go to my Kling. Alright, and I have drag and drop my image. Okay, now what will I do is we will generate our image to video. If you don't have any prompt, again you can generate a prompt, like how I don't have a prompt, so I will be generating a prompt. So this will take time. Once it's ready, I will get back. Okay, so we have our result now. Honestly, the result can be better. Yeah, it can be better. So I tried to regenerate the video again, but unfortunately my token is finished. So I have used this account Dreamina CapCut. Okay, and I have choose this one. The result is also good, and there is a background music also if you heard just now. So this the result is like the I'm fine with this result, and I will go with this result as well. You can try this website also. I will put the link in my notion and in the notion, so you guys can check it out. Alright, so that's it, guys. That's how you can create a stunning AI magic, or like a street shop, something like this. So I hope you get the idea, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you're watching until the very end, please drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Please do support, guys, and thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.